What's going on today, YouTube? Back with another one. BWI to ATX-F, the channel, and this is not a sword. This is an Aimgain, authentic Aimgain roof spoiler. It's gonna go right on the top of the rear windshield. Always like this aesthetic of any car, especially a coupe. Sedans look great too, but we're gonna go ahead and get this right on top. I'm gonna use the trusty VHB 3M. As far as I'm concerned, any external piece that you're using and you need a bond via tape, if it's not 3M VHB, you're not doing it right. VHB has never failed me. That's also what helps to keep on my front lip. So yeah, like I said, VHB a bust. We're gonna get right into it. Gonna apply it to the back here, and it's wide enough, just enough for this 1 inch wide VHB. This is PPF film by my boy Brandon, Liquid Detail in Virginia, and we're gonna get right into it. So with VHB, you wanna go ahead and clean the surface with some alcohol here, high percentage if you can, and that's just gonna make sure that the bond does establish with both sides of the spoiler and the body. You can use adhesion promoter, but I feel like that's overkill. Just go ahead and take that, get a microfiber towel here. You can use cotton swabs as well. Go ahead and saturate it, rub it down, no residual, and let that dry before you continue putting the double-sided foam tape on. Once you get this applied, go ahead and make your way down. Just apply pressure all the way down, more than this. Use kind of like pinch it like a sandwich for 15 seconds at a time in each section, and then you make your way down. After that's done, go ahead and use a hair dryer or a heat gun on very low heat to help the adhesion go ahead and make that bond. After you sandwich the stuff to make a good bond, make sure that you go over the red strip again, lightly with the alcohol. Get any residual oils from your hand off. Let that dry. You don't need to clean it off. You just don't want that transferring to the body when you put it down. I'm gonna start the corner off on each side so it tapers up past at the top, and that's how we're gonna pull it off. You'll see it once I get it on there. All right, now that you make sure that it's even in the spot that you want it, go ahead and get some painter's tape. Use as much as you want, and make sure it doesn't move. You see this tab right here, this is what we're going to be pulling out. Start on one side, and now you got the other side for backup. Sometimes this rips, and then that's when you go to the other side to continue. If both of them rip, you're in for a bad time a little bit. So we're going to start on this side, making sure that this does not move away from the glass. Make sure it's secure. And as you pull this, make sure you press down, not too much, because that's how the too much tension can occur and causes for the tape, the back end to snap. I'm halfway across, pressing as I go. You see how it curls up as you pull out. So this is secure. I went ahead and went to the other side to kind of just get that stability or securing over here. It's not moving at all. So feel free to start over here as you already did most of it. And see how I'm pulling straight up? Look at that tension. You don't want to have too much tension, but you do a little bit at a time, and you come here, press down. Same as the VHB on the spoiler. Hold it on it at 15 seconds. You don't have to do that right now because we're still just trying to secure it, but it's not moving. We're just gonna slowly continue on this. Do a little section at a time, give it a little pressure. Repeat. And it's installed. Use Mike Secret Stuff, AKA your detailing solution. You use Walmart products, McGuire's, no shame, that's fine. But you can dilute this. Let me know if you want to see more content on my detailing stuff, but clean this PPF up real good. Look at that. Might not even need to spray the other side. Choose the wet microfiber. All right, you see that? My oils, watch this. Clean that right up. Came together real nice, final product. Nice little subtle head accent. And it looks real good with the rear active wing up. The outside almost finished, y'all. I mean, this is one of the last pieces. I mean, of course, I'm gonna add more to it. Appreciate y'all watching. It's been another episode of BWI to ATX-F, the channel. Go ahead and like and subscribe if you haven't already. My loyal subscribers, appreciate y'all for years, man. Y'all take care. See y'all.